Listen up. Tag Premium. OG Dave in the building. Let's talk about a man who traded his crown for a chair in the waiting room. What do you call that man? He's a placeholder. A voluntary underdog. A man negotiating for affection instead of being chosen. A provider with no authority. A man playing by rules he didn't even write. Put it in one line? He's in a competition where the other men are still on the field, and he agreed to play blindfolded. Here's the truth he keeps dodging. You don't get exclusivity by obedience. You get it by being chosen. If she's still emotionally accessible to two ex-husbands, that door was never closed. Family ties are one thing. Emotional lanes are another. Kids and logistics explain communication. Comfort, validation, and private access. That's unresolved attachment, not we're just cool. When the rules aren't equal, resentment is guaranteed. If he cuts off his past and every other woman, while she keeps her past on standby, that's not boundaries. That's control dressed up as loyalty. Resources don't buy commitment. Being useful is not the same as being desired. Men confuse those two at their own expense. Because if you have to prove you're safe, you're already not respected. Respect comes before trust, not after endless sacrifice. So here's how OG Dave would say it to his face. Listen, you're not her partner, you're her insurance policy. The ex-husbands still have access, weight, and history, while you're on probation. You're investing like a husband but being treated like a temp. This only ends two ways. Either she chooses you fully, or you wake up broke, emotionally and financially. A man who has to compete with ghosts and obey rules they don't follow isn't in a relationship, he's in a waiting room. Now here's the fork in the road. Option 1. You step into the frame. You set real boundaries on emotional access with the exes. You demand mutual standards. What applies to you applies to her. You stop overgiving to buy security and let your presence be the standard. Option 2. You walk. Not angry, not dramatic, just awake. Because being chosen matters more than being patient, and peace is worth more than proximity. If she truly wanted a future with you, the past wouldn't still have a vote.